Labor Attaché in Jeddah, Attorney Fidel Macaloyan, Chief Administrative Officer, the Department of Labor, Region 10, representing Regional Director, Attorney Erwin Aquino, Ms. Lucelle Pulvera, the Provincial Health Officer from LGU Misamis Oriental, Dr. Chidoro Yu, and also the Healthcare and Cancer Program Coordinator from our partner LGU Misamis Oriental, Mary Claire Estrada, registered nurse in the United States. And of course, from the Migrant Ministry sa San Agustin Parish, Cagayan de Oro City, Ms. Flor Victoriano, who is also President of the Apostleship of the Sea, and Stella Maris Cagayan de Oro City. Honored guests, awardees, DMW and OWA colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to all of us. It is with profound honor that I welcome you all to tonight's Gabi ng Parangal at Pasasalamat. Indeed, I am greatly humbled by your presence. This event is our simple way of remembering and thanking the invaluable and utmost support extended by our institutional partners during the post-repatriation intervention of OWA Region 10 to returning OFWs when COVID-19 pandemic struck the whole world a few years back. And we are also recognizing tonight the notable achievement of OFWs and their dependents who have availed of some programs and services of OWA Region 10. To the honorary institutional partners, we are humbled to talk about your invaluable support, generosity, and priceless contribution that paved the way to the successful post-repatriation efforts of OWA Region 10 during the havoc of COVID-19. Your help came at a time when it was most needed, when others shy away, when such a situation calls for lockdown, movement restrictions, and isolation. And it is so remarkable to think how our honorary institutional partners were instrumental in facilitating the safe return back home of about 36,000 distressed OFWs in Mindanao, coming from different parts of the world. And what is more laudable about you all is that in the light of many difficulties and circumstances you were confronted with, your willingness to open the doors of your institution have enabled you to share out and reach out, thereby making Region 10 as the only entry point in Mindanao for travelers, including OFWs and their families, during the pandemic, most trying times. It was a great sacrifice of your part, and indeed, it was an act of heroism. Hindi lang namin nagawa agad ang parangal na ito dahil inuna namin ang pagbigay sa nararapat na mga serbisyo sa panahon ng recovery phase of the pandemic, katulad ng psychosocial interventions, di lamang para sa mga OFWs at kanilang pamilya, pati na rin sa mga taga-OWA na nagbuwis din ng kanilang buhay at walang pahinga nagsisilbi sa mga umuuwing OFWs sa panahon ng pandemic. And And may I kindly request all the staff of OWA Region 10 to please rise to be recognized. Lahat po. At palakpakan po natin sila. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And to the successful OWA scholars who are now employed either locally and internationally, holding high positions in various fields. And to the successful OFW entrepreneurs with exemplary community service, we salute to your invaluable contributions to the overall nation building. Tikas ang pagiging matulungin natin at hindi matatawaran. Sa lahat ng ating mga honorees ngayong gabi, taas noo at saludo kami sa inyo. At ngayong gabi, ang parangal na ito ay para sa inyong lahat. I would like also to take this opportunity to extend special thanks to Eugene Sias, our Chief of the Programs and Services Division, who did put in so much efforts to make this night a reality, and also to the IT team headed by Tuti. Where are you, Tuti? And to all the officers and staff of OWA Region 10, thank you so much for your hard work and conditional and unwavering dedication to serve the OFWs and their families. And lastly, I would like to end my welcoming speech with one of my favorite quotes. What we have done for ourselves dies with us. But what we have done for others and the world remains and it is immortal. Mabuhay tayong lahat.